All right, the second part of 7-2, okay? Remember, factoring is your friend. Whether or not you believe it or not, factoring is going to be your friends for fractions, okay? And you need to make sure like the pods are exactly the same. Don't just go over here and look, oh, well, this is x over x and cancel those x's, because that is wrong. That is completely wrong. They are effectively a pod. So unless that pod looks exactly the same, do not cancel. All right, so again with this is division, so I need to do that keep, change, flip. But as I do my keep, change, flip, I'm also going to factor at the same time. So I'm going to look, can I factor this? And I sure hope so. So I'm going to do x and x. To get that minus right here in front of 7, I need a plus and a minus. What makes 7? 1 and 7. So let's check. The insides give me 1x. The outsides give me minus 7x. Sum that up, and that gives me my negative 6x. All right, so that's good. Now let's look at the denominator. Let's look at factoring that denominator. So we're going to go boom, boom. So I get x and x. This is a plus, so that means they both have to be plus, plus, or minus, minus. And this tells me minus, minus. And what makes 1? 1 and 1. So the insides give me minus 1x. The outsides give me another minus 1x. And that gives me negative 2x, which is what I want. Okay, now I'm going to change the division sign to multiplication, and then I'm going to make the denominator into the numerator and the numerator into the denominator. So let's go ahead and check. Let's check the cross. I have an x minus 1 and an x minus 1. It doesn't matter which one I cancel. If I've got 2, I only can cancel 1 because I only have 1 over here. And I have an x minus 7 here and an x minus 7, leaving me x plus 1 over x minus 1. And again, please don't just go, well, that's x over x and that cancels, because remember, these are pods effectively, okay? So when you have addition and subtraction over a fraction, you cannot just cancel anything, okay? So your answer will be x plus 1 and x minus 1, because that's not multiplication. You cannot just go and cancel those x's. Email me or ask me in class if you have any questions.